Mishy from Mishy World, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious banana muffins. These are very, very yummy, so let's get started. So first you want to put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a medium-sized bowl. After that, you just want to put a teaspoon of some salt in your medium-sized bowl. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, plus 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you would like, you could just add a pinch, but the cinnamon makes it really good, so I recommend putting 1 teaspoon. After that, you want to just mix all of your dry ingredients and put it on the side. After that, you just want to get 3 bad bananas that are black, and then you just want to put it in a large bowl, or if you have normal bananas, you just microwave it for 30 seconds. Then add 5 tablespoons of butter and melt it, and then you want to add it in your same bowl and then just mix it nicely so all of the butter is fully melted. Right after that, you just want to put your butter in your wet ingredients and then just mix it. And you also want to smash your bananas and mix everything nicely. After that, you just want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you just want to mix everything in once again. Then you want to add 1/4 cup of normal yogurt, and then just mix it in your wet ingredients. Then add 2 eggs inside of your wet ingredients. Then a 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar in your wet ingredients. Then you want to combine your dry ingredients in your large wet ingredients bowl and then mix that all to get your banana muffins batter. Then put the batter in your cupcake tins. Then you can add a topping like nut sprinkles or chocolate chips. Then bake it for 375 for 5 minutes, then move it to 350 for 15 minutes. And this is the final product. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.